have less pens, but they all work. But of those, half doesn't really work anymore, and why don't I throw them away? And then it's always the same colors that become empty very fast. And for example, I don't understand why I have parts of pens. And then these are the replaceable parts for the friction, but only for the one that you can open. And the last month I only used the ones that you can't open, the ones for single use. And there's no sense in doing this. Don't know why. Maybe it's because of marketing. They sell things to you, you think, oh, that's great, I have to have this. Then you buy it, and then later you realize, oh, that doesn't fit my other things. And then you don't use it. Then it's lying there without use. And then one day you declutter everything, and then you say, why did I buy this? I can't remember. Or you realize why you bought it, but you then see which mistake you made. I have to clean out this box because it's very dirty. And where are my baby wipes? Now everything is falling again, rolling and falling. I have to put the rubbish into my small rubbish bag. So that's done. And now, where are the baby wipes? I had them some minutes ago. And where are they now? Oh, no. I don't know. Ah, yeah. Under the index cards that are falling, but not far because there are other things in the way. Okay, these are my pens now. They all fit in this bag. Now I can clean out this box. I already cleaned the lid some days ago, or yesterday, I don't remember. So that's much better. And then one more time. Okay, something has fallen. It's only my planner. Yeah, that's the problem when you don't have a big desk. Then you can only hold so much on your lap or on the small table where at the moment the computer is, well, most of the time there's the computer. So it's good now, I think. Doesn't have to be 100% perfect, but it's good. I'm satisfied. Now I let it dry and then I can put the things back. So I have my pens and I need the friction pens. They're now on the bottom. Yeah. Yeah, and they are not. Yes, you can open them. Okay, that's good. Then I bought the right thing. Finally. Finally, I bought the right thing. Because I knew I had bought something wrong last time. But now I can replace the friction. That's good. So I have green, red and black, I think. Yep, and blue. But this is a cheap one. Okay, 4 colors. Ah, this is the correct one. I have a cheap black one as well. Oh, I have 2? No. So those are the 4 correct ones, the right friction, and those are 2 cheap ones. I don't use them. I will throw them away right away because they smudge and smear and I don't like them. I bought them wrong. Same with these. They smear and smudge, and those are okay. I use them at work also. But these, no thank you. They are very cheap. And those ones as well. They are cheap. Made in Italy. Bought them in a Euro shop or something. Oh, I knew I had a second glue because I used that one up completely. So that one goes into this cup where I have my scissors, my ruler, and my knives and forks, and there's another cheap one. Again, a cheap one. Declutter what doesn't work. So all the cheap ones that smudge and smear go into this bag of non-usable things. Wrong bought things. It's a lot. But I think that's all now. Is it? Oh. I think that's all now. Now those are only felt. Oh. Now I only have the felt tip pens, and I like those. They are not even Stettler. They are Edeka fine liner. But they are German. They are good. Maybe they are Städtler but have Edeka written on them. Sometimes it's the same production and it's just a bit cheaper because the name is different. This one is not good. So many were there to declutter. It's incredible. But now it's okay. Good. And next time I find one that doesn't work, I will throw it away instantly. So now this is dry. Not completely. So I don't understand. When you wash your body with those baby wipes, it's very unsatisfying and doesn't feel very wet. But when you clean a box where you store your stickers and task cards, then it takes 1 hour to dry. Okay, so first the biggest cards. Then the small cards. Get one of my planners now, either on Shopify or on Amazon, or check out my sticker sheets. They are very beautiful. All links, as always, in the description. And now have a lot of fun. And the Post-its. Then the stickers. I really don't have many. And then those sticker refills. That's all. No, it's not very full now. That's good. That's okay. Things don't have to be full. Bags and boxes don't have to be full. Box decluttered, pens decluttered. Not that I have any space for the box or something, but it's just all lying on top of each other. I tried to have more. I'll show you. So this is my office. Welcome to my office. So I always need wet wipes. That's why they are very close to me. This is what I ripped out. Oops. Yeah, my tripod is not working anymore. So here in the middle is where I have my knives and fork and spoon and scissors and salt. And here are my power banks and my mini printer and my external hard drives and my brush, dental brush, toothbrush and power. And these are my planner and stationery stuff. Yeah, I think I need a bigger box, but yeah, it doesn't really fit, but I will find one day. One day I will find a box that fits the driver's seat, but still provides enough space for all those things. Or I will put those things. Oh, I have some stickers left here. I knew I had some stickers. So let me see what I have there. No. What's in there? Yeah, okay, I understand. But now I can put it in this box, because now there's enough space for this. And what is it? Index cards. So the biggest were on the bottom. Then those are for the small task card binder that I bought because I wanted to collect my accomplished tasks, which I then didn't like so much. I just put them in here. And then this is what my colleague wants to have. She wants this binder and those pockets because she wants to save money for different things. And she said about 10 of those. And I had bought them because I thought I might like to use them. And then I didn't. So I will put those into this. And take out all my task cards. And I also have some stickers here. It's the car in front of me. He switched on some music. So I have those here. Yeah. So I will put those on the bottom, under the index cards. I won't use those anymore. And I will give those to my colleague. Yeah. I will put them in there after the video. And then this is a mind map. And then the last thing. Oh no. Here are more task cards. I really liked the idea of task cards. Reusable task cards. But it didn't work. Only for a short time. At least it worked for a short time. Better than nothing. And more task cards. And those are stickers. So box stickers. Different colors and sizes and designs with stars and hearts. And very bright orange ones, and neon orange ones. And more muted colors. And then the ones people use if they have frozen goods to store, or marmalade. And cards. Good. So now I know what there is, where I have my stickers. Where will I put my stickers now? On top of all those cards? Or because it's a bit messy now in this box, because things don't really fit there where they should. They all fall over each other. But I'm not sure how to put them. I think it's impossible to do it correctly, because it's not dividable. I just put them in there, and I have to be okay with them flying around. And I put the stickers in there as well. Except the big box stickers, I will use them for my planner as a bit of a structuring thing. That's okay. So this is the box with the stickers and the task cards flying around, because nothing is even and nothing is divided. And here are the bigger cards.